Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we're gonna introduce two enterprise level OpenClaw, so specifically built for security. So the first one is NemoClaw, which is from NVIDIA. So now you guys have a very secure OpenClaw that was built by large firms. And the other one is called HiClaw, which is built by Alibaba. So we're gonna talk about that a little bit later in this video. So that being said, let's get started. So the NVIDIA NemoClaw is a very secure version of OpenClaw. So it was just released, and you can see here, basically it is a more secure, always on AI assistant with a single command line to install it. So to install that, they have a documentation right here. So if you scroll down a bit on the page, it's just simply similar to OpenClaw installation, one command line. You should be able to install the NemoClaw. And after that, do a NemoClaw onboard. This is very similar to OpenClaw onboard as well. So after everything is completed, you should be able to spin up a NemoClaw instance. So if you go to their GitHub page, because this is actually an open source project, so you can see there's already a 14.6 K stars. So it's very popular. So they have a fully documented everything, so you can actually run everything locally. So even though it's enterprise grade, but everything can be run locally. So it's very straightforward. You just have to read through the README, which we're gonna go through that right now. So because the security comes from containerized technologies such as Docker, so HiClaw and also NemoClaw both use Docker as sort of like a security level framework to help the system to run in a secure way. If you go through the prerequisite, you can see the hardware they need probably 4 CPU and 4 or more than 4 CPUs, and the RAM is 8 gigs and disk is probably 20 gigs because it's actually using Docker as a container, so the resource consumption is heavier if you don't use those. So that's why you do need a little bit higher end hardware, and then you do need also install the required software. So it needs Linux for Ubuntu 2004, Node.js and NPM and container runtime. Especially they need a OpenShell. So this is from NVIDIA as well. So if you go to the NVIDIA OpenShell repo, so basically this is also open source. So it is a safe private runtime for autonomous AI agent. And there's a lot of README documentation here. You can go through them, but this is already installed within the NemoClaw installation, so we will not go through that separately. We just go through the NemoClaw README so you can see how it works. So everything is documented in the install NemoClaw and onboard. So you can see if everything is installed using this one command line, the NemoClaw will be spin up like this. And you can see there is a sandbox called My Assistant. This is part of the OpenShell provisioning. So once OpenShell provisioned a Docker runtime, which is like a pod if you're using Kubernetes, so it will actually create a sandbox environment, and then it's called My Assistant. So after that, it also tied to a default model, which is NVIDIA model. Then you can use NemoClaw to connect to this Docker runtime. So that's how the security happens, right? And after you connect to a Docker runtime, because it is containerized, everything is running within the container, so it is very secure. Instead of if you do not use container, everything is running on local, and that's not really secure. So that's the question a lot of people are asking, how to make it more secure. Now you have the NVIDIA answer. So to make it more containerized, and then you can run everything as usual. So then you have the OpenClaw TUI, terminal UI that we demo a lot in this channel. And also you can run all these different OpenClaw command as usual. So there's nothing different, but they do also provide a uninstall command line, so which is very nice. Then you can actually go through all these different sections to understand the inferencing and also understand how this works, especially for like production layers. So why it is secure? So why using Dockerized technology is secure? Because there's no network protection, which is blocks unauthorized outbound connections. And file systems, prevents read and write outside sandbox and temp directories. There's also processes, blocks, privilege, escalation, and dangerous system calls, and also inference, reroutes model API calls to controlled backend. So that's why all this setup is very secure. There's also different command line you can try it out. So like the onboard and the agent name and connect, and also the OpenShell. So OpenShell is very different framework, but it is used inside the NemoClaw. It's very nice. So that's a overview of the NemoClaw. It's very good. Seems very solid project. So feel free to check that out. Also, there's documentation inside the docs folder, so you can check out all these different documentations to further understand it. So that's for the NemoClaw. So for HiClaw, so it is designed a little bit different than NemoClaw. So the NemoClaw is creating a single secure agent you can deal with. So basically, it's a more secure version of the original OpenClaw, but for HiClaw, it's focused on multi-agent operations. So basically, it's focusing on multi-agent orchestration. So you can have multiple agents, then work with each other, sort of like a team. And the installation, it is also very straightforward, just one command line. So one command line, and then that's it. So similar to NemoClaw, it's just it has a different purpose. So this is for like a management. So if you have a management agent, then you can create different worker agent, so they can work together, achieve the project. And you can see from the quick start section, you can just run this command line. They support macOS, Linux, and Windows. After you install using this one command line, you can see HiClaw Manager is spin up on this local web address. So then you can use the UI to work on this agent. So that's it. So this is how easy it is. If you go to the GitHub repo, so this is also open source. So enterprise level open source project. So it is very well documented, and you can see basically it's open source collaborative multi-agent OS for transparent human in the loop task coordination via Matrix rooms. So Matrix is a instant messaging framework. So you can have different messaging client. So it's very nice. So it's also open source. Matrix, I think, is also open source. So if you look at the README, they have very well documented the installation process for Windows and Linux. So it also mentioned the onboarding process. You can choose your LLM. So you can choose your customized OpenAI compatible API, and you can use your own API key, which means that it could be good for Ollama. So Ollama should be also compatible, as the documentation says. And then you can open this web address to use this HiClaw. And for the upgrade, also provide upgrade, simple upgrade script. So you can see this is how it looks after everything is running. So you can ask the manager to create a worker agent named Alice, and also talk to Alice. So this is also a little bit similar to Paperclip and also the mission control of OpenClaw. We have demoed in this channel. Feel free to check those videos out. But this is a different project, but this is also very similar to that process, with the more secure and also basically it's a collaboration of different agents, like a mission control. So if you scroll a little bit down, they do have an architecture documentation, which is very nice as well. They have a separate document for the architecture inside the docs. You can check those out after you watching this video. It's very detailed documentation inside the docs folder. So there's a quick start, there's a manager's guide, how the manager agent works, and there's a workers guide. So basically the manager spin up the different workers to work together. There's also a development guide. So let's go back to the main README, the documentation. So if you look at the architecture, they basically have a high-graph gateway. So this is very similar to OpenClaw. There's a matrix, which is the IAM agent, like the Telegram and WhatsApp, but it's a one hub for all different IAM. And also there's a element web. There's a client zero setup, browser client, MinIO, which is very cool. So this is basically similar to S3. It's another object storage system. So they store different files and also the agent information. There's OpenClaw agent runtime. So that's basically the different component, which totally makes sense. And also if you scroll down a little bit, there's also documentation section. So here are all the documentation I just showed you guys to explain how the system works. There's the quick start, architecture, manager guide, worker guide, and development. So it's very nice documented. So if you want to test it, they also documented everything in here. And so this is actually how you set up HiClaw. So they do also require the Docker as well. So it's basically also Docker based. The prerequisite is also Docker. So you can see the quick start section. The prerequisites are Docker desktop. So it has to be Docker. So basically on local, Docker is probably the best option to spin up different pods runtime environment to make everything secure. So in this case, it would spin up different Docker runtime. So per agent would have a one Docker runtime. So, but for the NemoClaw, they probably just have one. So you can connect to that OpenClaw instance. You can talk to that OpenClaw on that instance. So that's it. So this is basically 2 open source enterprise level OpenClaw implementation. So that's it. Hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.